I'll manage. Alright, you can get it. That's it.
There's Nana and Peppa today.
Yeah, it's from Nana and Papa.
There's from Nana and Peppa.
Uh-huh.
It's for me.
Mm-hmm. What's in that?
There's no titties.
Oh, you haven't opened it all up yet. You didn't for your titties. What is that? Let me see. Before you throw it away. There's your titties there.
This is the one for you, Dad.
Oh, great. Thanks. I love Curly Wurly.
You ready to come, Dad? You gotta save for later.
I'll save it for later. Save it for after the mince and patties.
And this is for you too,
Oh,
Dad.
look at that. Big bag of jelly babies.
These are yours, Dad. And this one. There's another one for you, Dad.
Alright, cheers.
You ready to come? And whoa! This is chocolate.
Yeah, one for you.
They do it. Here's another for you, Dad.
Cool. Let me see what's in these. So, jammies?
Yeah, pajamas.
Oh, nice.
For my bed. And this one is my.
I'm a little sweetie, it says.
Yeah, it's my little dad.
My little dada. There you go, very nice. And there's another wee packet there.
Bella?
No, this.
Bella?
What do you think it is?
Is this for me?
Yeah, it's all for you. Look at the camera and say, thank you, Nana and Papa.
Thank you, Nana Peppa.
Wee socks. Oh, there's a wee note written on it. Let me see what it says. Socks for your wellies. Socks for under your wellies, CC.
Is this?
Yeah, that's what it says.
This is for you, Dad.
No, it's socks for you. They'll not fit me. It's for under your wellies.
This is your sticker, Dad.
Okay, put it on me. Thank you.
You will. God, save these for later.
Okay, save them for after our dinner.
And save these ones for you. I think I'll save these for you, Dad.
Okay.
Wait.